Hey everybody, today we're going to take a look at the Beautyrest Black Mattress. Now the Beautyrest Black is the flagship of the Beautyrest line. As you know, Beautyrest has been around for over 100 years, so this company really knows what they're doing and they really want to put their best-in-class materials into this mattress. In particular, we're going to be looking at the L class. That's a medium firm feel and it's their entry-level model. So let's take a look. You can order this mattress directly from the Beautyrest website. After you place your order, you're going to be asked to coordinate your delivery via phone or via email. The reason being is it's a free white glove delivery. So they're going to bring this mattress into your room of choice, set it up on the bed, and take away any material. So truly hassle-free. This is a pretty substantial mattress, so I'm glad that there is white glove delivery because it's very heavy. I will have to say I was a little mildly disappointed that I couldn't unbox it. You know, sometimes unboxing is kind of like unboxing a present, and it's just fun to see, you know, how's this thing going to expand, what it's going to look like. But nevertheless, I was still really happy to get a mattress of this caliber. The other advantage is when it does arrive to your doorstep, you're not going to have as many issues with off-gassing because it's already expanded and breathing throughout that delivery process. And best of all, it's ready to sleep on right away. So let's talk construction. This is a pretty thick mattress. In fact, it measures 13 inches deep, much more than your typical 10-inch online mattress offering. Underneath the cover is a 1/2 inch of the plush comfort foam. That's going to give it a very soft feel. Underneath that plush layer of foam, you're going to find a 1-inch layer of medium comfort foam, and that's really going to help balance you out. The last layer of foam is a 1/2 inch of Beautyrest gel memory foam. All these layers of foam sit on top of Beautyrest's best-in-class coil system called the T3. All of this is encased in what they call the Beauty Edge system. This is a perimeter of foam around the mattress that gives you superior edge support. So you can sleep right up to the edge of this mattress without feeling like you're gonna roll off. And this is something that you're just not gonna find in a roll pack mattress because it's just not possible to roll pack it. So all in all, you get some of the best-in-class materials and some proprietary materials that you can only find in a Beautyrest mattress. So let's talk comfort. This mattress, in my opinion, skews a bit towards the firmer end of this spectrum. Beautyrest classifies it as a medium, but in my experience with most Beautyrest products is they do skew firmer. So I'd say this is a medium firm to a firm. And for that reason, I highly recommend it for stomach and back sleepers. You're going to get great support towards your lower back, and that's a common complaint among back sleepers is if they're lacking support there, you're just not going to sleep right. If you're a side sleeper, you may want to take a look at more of the plush models that they offer. Now in terms of sleeping cool, I found this mattress to be pretty temperature neutral despite all the layers of foam. If you do want to go cooler, they have available upgrades to sleep even cooler, so that's something to explore. In terms of motion transfer, this mattress is a solid mattress. Like I said, it is firmer. It's a pretty darn firm coil system, so you're not going to really notice any motion transfer. Those are pocketed coils. They all act independently, so you're not really going to feel your partner at all. In fact, this really isn't going to feel too much like a spring mattress. All in all, fans of mattresses like the plank mattress, a very firm mattress, this is right up there with it, but I will say it is a more substantial construction, and I do think you're getting your money's worth with this mattress. The Beautyrest Black comes in at just over $2,000, but that's before any discounts. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com and you'll get the latest discounts to bring it under that price point. This mattress comes with a 100-night trial. That means you can try it in the comfort of your home for just over 3 months to see if it's right for you. And remember, it's free white glove delivery, so they're going to bring it into the room of your choosing, set everything up. If you don't like it, they'll come right back and take it away for free. Free delivery, free return, easy come, easy go. If you do decide you like it, it's a 10-year warranty, and I'm not at all worried about Beautyrest being around for 10 years. They've been around for 100, 10 more isn't that much longer. And to be honest, there's some mattress companies that I wonder if they're going to make it till the end of the month because they're just so new. Definitely not the case with Beautyrest. So in conclusion, this mattress does have a firmer feel. It is listed as a medium, but I still find it to be more attuned to a stomach and back sleeper. In short, this is just a very substantial feeling mattress. Right when we put it onto the bed, we moved it around a bit, the thing didn't wobble. And what I like about that is some of the hybrids on the market out there that I brought onto the bed, you know, it's almost like this bag of soup that you're really trying to fight with. And that's definitely not the case with the Beautyrest here. It's got those great handles, it's easy to move around, and when you lay on it, you know that you're sleeping on a well-crafted mattress. And for that reason, I really do think it can justify that higher price point. You know, if you've tried some of these other brands, some of these newer brands, and you're just feeling like it's not like the mattress you used to know, and it's just not that quality that you've come to know and love, I really urge you to give Beautyrest a try. It's a feel that you're just not going to find. You get that great edge support that you're just not going to find in a roll pack mattress. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com. We're going to give you the full review and give you the latest discounts.